Hi, today teardown of the Sony CM DX1000 mobile phone. It will be interesting to see how Sony did make its mobile phones in the late 90s, I guess. Yes, it is a cellular phone. This thing moves, maybe for taking the call. And it is using a lithium-ion battery. So it is interesting. Card slot on the top here with a stock SIM card I can see inside. Okay, so do not mind this, it is just for me help to keep the object in the middle of the frame. So I have just 4 screws at the back here with some kind of a metal plate. So they seem to be very well made, as you can expect from Sony, of course. So will it come off? Yes, in fact, very easily. The whole back cover comes off. There is a little piece of clear tubing that came off, probably for the antenna. And what do we have? We have one module. Not sure where to start. It is not coming off the case, so I guess I need to disassemble this shielded part first. Longer screws here, and this is interesting. We have a coax which unplugs. We have this module with board-to-board connector, some spring-loaded contacts too. It is completely shielded, so it is the high-frequency stuff. Here is our stock SIM card, very old one by the way. And we have the front piece. This must be the battery contacts. Spring loaded. We have coax for the antenna in the bottom plug here. And we have this PCB with one screw in the middle. Here we are. I can see here some plug, probably going to the loudspeaker in the front part. If I can undo it, not easy. So I will try to lift the whole assembly. Here we are. Okay. It should come off like so. Okay, so we have this front part with the speaker, 2 clips to press, and it will come off like so. So this is just a speaker with a lot of gunk, you can see, and the very thick rubber keyboard. By the way, look, the coating on the keys is just falling away on this thing. Quite amazing. It is so old, but apart from that, it is a very thick and strong keyboard. Here is the front part. We have a 1997 date code here. Okay, so on this PCB, the LCD with a nice copper shielding around it. Not sure what is the purpose of this. Nice golden tracks here. Not sure also what they are for, because there is just the speaker and this placement with a little tactile contact, little switch here. On the keyboard here is stuck on the PCB, as you can see, little DOMs. Okay, we have LCD with chip on film as always, and it must be hot bar soldered, so I guess we will not see much, but it is soldered in place, this thing, and it is stuck, it is soldered. It is really very well made. This must be the backlight LED for the display. Quite interesting one, but I need to unsolder this in fact in order to go further, it seems. Okay, so we will go to the main assembly, which is this one, which is probably much more interesting. So we have first remove all the stuff here. We have a back cover with these metal clips, like so, lots of them all the way around. Okay, so just a piece of steel. We have the board-to-board connector here with this little surrounding piece around, and also one more shielding here. Interesting. We have two Siemens main chips. This is interesting. This one is made in Austria. This one is made in Taiwan. And we have some piece of Epson memory made in Japan. I was really not expecting to find Siemens parts in this. So I have 4 screws to undo. You can see how tiny already is the electronics compared to the other parts of the phone. So I guess after this step they were able to miniaturize the whole thing and make smaller phones. So we have, what do we have? We have to pull, yes. Lots of parts falling off. Here is the main case for the electronics. Other side, some springy contacts. On this side we have one big analog device chips, ADSP21 MSP59 MS processor, some memory chip, some processor. Okay. And here the high frequency stuff. And this is interesting, guys, because it is half erased, but this main high frequency amplifier mixer thing is Hewlett-Packard brand. So I was not expecting to find Hewlett-Packard in this one. So this is really interesting. So this must be an hybrid circuit, I guess, but the cover must be glued in place, so it may be interesting to pop it open, but it will be another day. One day I will do a video with macros of several mobile phone circuit boards with other interesting stuff you can see on them. Other side we have one big flat ceramic and metal package here. So usually in these packages there are oscillators, but I guess we have here some kind of hybrid because it is really big. So it may be interesting to dig in this thing if I can solder the cover. I may try with my bigger soldering iron in order to see what happens. And here we have a shielding piece soldered in place with some more stuff behind. So I will try to gently undo it, like so. We have an LLPS module on the two tiny clips. So I need to learn about the parts of a mobile phone. I guess there is a logic PCB with processor, memory, firmware, and so on the high frequency PCB doing all the stuff related to the GSM waves. But what about the path? There must be a transmitter, there must be a receiver, there must be a mixer at least. But obviously it is not everything. This must be a precision quartz oscillator. It is written 30 MHz and 2712 has a dead code made by KESS in Japan. Isn't it a brand of laser disc pickup heads? It is possible. So this is really interesting, this HP module together with Siemens chips in a Sony mobile phone. I was not expecting this, guys. So thanks for watching, bye bye.